One in the front, one in the front, and one in the back, like this. Like,
Yeah. But you have to also give Reiki where the pain is there exactly. Like if
yes.
it's with them back, then that area also you can give.
Okay. So yeah, I also tried your this Shanti Mudra.
Hmm.
I hope the name is correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was really magic. Again, I was very furious for some reason, but yeah, it really helped. I
Excellent.
tried this mudra also with Reiki. It was also good.
Yeah. It calms your mind.
Yeah, it was, but quite for last 2 3 days, I was not able to notice at all, like the Reiki flow, or uh, I was not able to quite concentrate. Maybe I was disturbed and triggered. Yeah, again, try.
It's okay. Like there are ups and downs in life. So in our Reiki practice also there may be some ups and downs, but still our consistency should maintain. And sometimes we do longer practice. Sometimes it is, we should do it in short. That's okay. The what really matters is over a long period of time, are you doing that matters.
Yeah.
So out of 365 days, if some student is practicing, let's say 200
300.
days, 200 days also I'm saying,
Okay.
is better than the student who has stopped doing Reiki at all. Like for example, uh, tomorrow there is one girl coming to learn Reiki. She learned Reiki in 2003,
Oh,
and her teacher told that you must do the 21 days, and she didn't even do the 21 days.
yeah.
And since 2003, like today is 20 years. After 20 years now she's coming. I told her, see, you have to first of all learn it completely.
Hmm.
Just Reiki level 1, you are not a practitioner. You are a practitioner when you complete the 3 levels.
Correct.
And secondly, uh, you have to practice it. Just learning something
It's not enough.
is just in the head. Just theory does not change our life. Practice changes our life. So it's a way of life. You have to live that Reiki, not just learn and have a certificate. You know, having a certificate and lots of notes does not make any difference. What difference makes is like, how are you living your life? Is it impacted? Are you able to heal your aches and pains? Are you able to help people who are in, at least your loved ones who need healing? Are you able to do Reiki for them? That makes a difference.
Correct.